Vehicle number 1.
The 1962 Chevrolet Corvair station wagon. Priced $6,995. Mileage, 15,000 miles. Manual transmission. And from the seller's description, this Corvair wagon is a rare model, as Corvair wagons were only produced in 1961 and 1962. Repainted in a turquoise color featured in the original brochure, the car includes a clear coat, though the clear coat is peeling in some areas. The interior is in good condition, with intact upholstery showing no rips or tears. The carpets are aging, but still serviceable. The car runs well, but the exhaust sound is on the louder side, potentially due to aging mufflers, though no holes are visible in the exhaust system. The seller is available to answer any questions about the vehicle. This Corvair is described as an enjoyable car for driving to shows. Located in San Jose, California.
Vehicle number 2.
The 1971 Chrysler Newport Custom. Price $12,500. Mileage, 10,000 miles.
Start the car up for you. I'll show you the inside of it real quick. As you see, pretty clean everywhere. Yeah, 60 seconds. All right there. So I'll show you the car real quick.
This 1971 Newport features a reworked top end of the motor, dual exhaust, and upgraded tires, rims, and brakes. Air shocks have been installed for improved handling and ride comfort. The car has been carefully maintained and has never been driven in snow. The exterior is finished in a brown paint, while the interior is beige, preserving a classic look. Located in Calumet City, Illinois.
Vehicle number 3.
The 1958 Edsel Ranger 2-door hardtop. Priced $9,500. Mileage, 97,524 miles. This 1958 Edsel is a solid Saturday night cruiser. Powered by a 390 V8 engine in place of the original 361, the engine is dressed with original Edsel brackets and painted in factory-correct colors, making the swap almost indistinguishable without checking casting numbers. The car features dual exhaust with Flowmasters for a distinctive sound and rides on 16-inch torque thrust wheels, giving it an American graffiti vibe rather than a strict restoration approach. The body and interior are in good condition, adding to its charm as a functional classic. The seller is downsizing for a move but isn't in a rush to sell, as they enjoy the car and are willing to take it with them. Serious inquiries only. Located in Darrington, Washington.
Vehicle number 4.
The 1977 Chevrolet El Camino. Priced $10,000. Mileage, 40,000 miles. This 1977 El Camino is equipped with a 350 SBC engine and is described as a reliable and enjoyable cruiser ready for the road. Over the past year, the car has undergone significant maintenance and upgrades, including a full brake system service with new front calipers, pads, rotors, and lines, as well as rear shoes and wheel cylinders. A new master cylinder has also been installed, and the brake fluid has been completely serviced. The suspension has been refreshed with new front and rear shocks, and the front steering components have been replaced and aligned. The engine received a reseal in September 2023, along with new plugs, wires, a distributor, and an Edelbrock carburetor. The car rides on new tires with a 2022 DOT code, and a new windshield has been installed. Located in Eugene, Oregon, the El Camino is in good overall condition, with all major mechanical components addressed.
Vehicle number 5.
The 1974 Dodge Dartswinger. Price $12,500. This 1974 Dartswinger is presented in largely original condition, featuring a black exterior and matching black interior. Under the hood is the factory original slant 6 engine, paired with the original transmission, both in excellent working condition. The paint and interior are also described as being in very good shape, retaining their original charm. The vehicle appears to have been well preserved, offering a great platform for a classic daily driver or a solid starting point for customization. The seller is open to inquiries from serious buyers. Located in Mission Viejo, California.
Vehicle number 6.
The 1967 Mercury Cougar XR7. Priced $14,000. Mileage, 69,000 miles. Manual transmission. This 1967 Cougar is powered by a rebuilt 289 V8 engine with a 4-barrel carburetor. A custom exhaust system ensures a deep, satisfying engine note, while the rebuilt front suspension and new rear leaf springs improve handling and ride quality. Stopping power has been enhanced with upgraded front disc brakes, and the car retains its original 3-speed manual transmission with a rebuilt T5 transmission available for installation. The interior needs attention, particularly the front seat upholstery. The rear window mechanism requires repair, and while the paint is serviceable, a new coat would elevate its appearance. The seller describes this Cougar as a head-turner, ideal for classic car enthusiasts. Trades are considered for a VW Westphalia or a 1965-68 Mustang. Located in Monterey, California.
Vehicle number 7.
The 1965 Chrysler 300. Price $12,500. Mileage, 65,000 miles. From the seller's description, this 1965 Chrysler 300 is a solid cruiser that has seen occasional car show appearances and offers a great foundation for further customization or regular weekend drives. Under the hood, the car features a 383 big block engine equipped with a 4-barrel Edelbrock carburetor paired with a 727 automatic transmission. Recent updates include the installation of a new passenger side floor pan and partial replacement of the brake lines with stainless steel. The car rides on newer tires. While the car is mechanically sound and runs and drives very well, it's not a show-quality vehicle. The exterior shows typical wear for its age, but remains presentable as a classic cruiser. The seller is open to offers and possibly trades for an interesting vehicle. Located in Chambersburg, Pennsylvania.
Vehicle number 8.
The 1974 Oldsmobile Cutlass Custom. Priced $9,500. Mileage, 78,000 miles. This 1974 Cutlass is a custom-built coupe that has been thoughtfully upgraded for a unique, fun driving experience. Owned by the seller since 2017, the car has been modified to suit the owner's preferences, though it may not be for everyone. The exterior features the distinctive rear end of a 1973 Cutlass, with its taillights and rear bumper giving the car a different, more modern look. Under the hood, the car boasts a powerful 4th Gen LS 6-liter V8 engine paired with a 4L80E automatic transmission. The car sits on billet specialty wheels with brand new tires. While the car runs well and is an enjoyable ride, it does need a few minor things to perfect it. However, it remains a great option for someone looking for a unique, fun project car. Located in South China, Maine.
Vehicle number 9.
The 1962 Chevrolet Corvair Monza, priced $7,500. Mileage, 72,000 miles. This 1962 Monza is an all-original car in great condition, with well-maintained components and documentation dating back to the 1970s. It features an automatic transmission and has 72,000 miles on the odometer. The vehicle is equipped with new tires, but like most Corvairs, it does have some minor leaks. The seller is open to trades, particularly interested in 1950s cars, and is motivated to sell. Located in Deal, New Jersey.
Vehicle number 10.
The 1973 Buick Centurion, priced $15,000. Mileage, 40,000 miles.
Candy hitting off that. Nice candy. Everything original. But that candy pimp. That candy hitting. Everything original. Everything original, man. All the way through, all the way around. Nice. Beautiful. Beautiful. Beautiful.
This 1973 Buick Centurion is powered by the 455 big block engine, offering a smooth and powerful ride. The car features a fresh candy tangerine orange paint job, which gives it a vibrant and striking appearance. With only 40,000 original miles, this Buick is in good condition and has everything up to date mechanically. Located in Toledo, Ohio.
Vehicle number 11.
The 1954 Chevrolet station wagon, priced $9,000. Manual transmission. This 1954 Chevy station wagon is a project vehicle that runs and drives, but still needs some work to become fully functional. The car currently has drum brakes, and an upgrade is needed for better stopping power. It's been converted to a 12-volt electrical system with an alternator, though the gauges are still 6V. The car is powered by a 235 inline-6 engine and features the classic 3-on-the-tree transmission. Several upgrades have already been purchased for this project, including V8 mounts, radiator, suspension, brakes, and electric wipers. The new parts are still in boxes and ready to be installed. Located in Cox's Creek, Kentucky.
Vehicle number 12.
The 1963 Mercury Monterey Custom, priced $12,000. Mileage, 89,000 miles. This 1963 Monterey Custom is a survivor car with the original 390 engine and rear power window. The car has been well maintained, though not fully restored. While it shows some signs of age, it remains a beautiful example of a classic car. The exterior is black, and the interior features a matching black color scheme. The car runs well and remains in very good condition for its age. Additional photos or videos can be provided upon request. The seller is open to trades for a daily driver and is willing to consider offers. Located in White Lake, Michigan.
Vehicle number 13.
The 1981 Nissan 280ZX, priced $14,000. Mileage, 102,536 miles. Manual transmission.
280ZX cold start. Everything's cold. Car hasn't been run. Go ahead.
This 1981 Nissan is a classic sports car in excellent condition. It offers a great driving experience, highlighted by T-tops and analog gauges, features that made the 280ZX a standout in its era. The car runs and looks great, making it a strong collectible for any enthusiast. The exterior is blue, while the interior is also blue, complementing the car's vintage appeal. The car has no significant damage or problems and remains in very good condition overall. Located in Glenmore, Pennsylvania.
Vehicle number 14.
The 1975 Plymouth Duster. Priced $16,000. This 1975 Duster is a reliable classic. Powered by the iconic Slant 6 engine, it provides a smooth and enjoyable driving experience. The exterior and interior both come in a matching green, giving the car a unique and vintage look. The car has been well maintained and is ready for its next owner. It has had only 2 owners. The seller is not interested in trades and is accepting offers. Located in Aurora, Colorado.
Vehicle number 15.
The 1965 Chevrolet Nova 2 station wagon, priced $18,500. This 1965 Nova station wagon has undergone a full restoration and is equipped with a powerful 383-stroker motor with only around 500 miles on it. The car features a fresh orange paint job that complements the black interior with orange stripes. The upholstery is new, further enhancing the interior's look and feel. The car runs and drives well, making it a great choice for collectors or those looking for a classic with upgraded performance. The seller is offering the car for $18,500, but is open to negotiations. Located in Greenback, Tennessee.
Vehicle number 16.
The 1969 Chevrolet Impala, priced $15,000. Mileage, 50,000 miles. This Impala has been garage kept and was previously owned for 40 years by the same person. It's in great condition, with one rust repair completed years ago behind the left rear wheel. The engine, a 327 with a Powerglide transmission, runs smoothly without leaks, smoke, or blow-by. The exterior features a single repaint and lacquer, which still retains an original look. The interior is well preserved, with only a small crack in the dash pad. It has received a full suspension overhaul, including new coil springs, control arms, and rear bushings. The chrome and glass are in excellent condition. The seller is parting with the car to move on to something different, as they typically keep a car for 6 or 7 years. Located in Loves Park, Illinois.
Vehicle number 17.
The 1974 Volkswagen Carmangia, priced $15,450. Manual transmission. This 1974 Karmann Ghia is in mostly original condition and offers a smooth driving experience, whether as a weekend warrior or a daily driver. The car runs well, with all electrical components, lights, and gauges functioning properly. The 1.6-liter engine is paired with a 4-speed manual transmission that shifts smoothly, while the front disc brakes provide reliable stopping power. The interior has been updated with newer upholstery, including a headliner, sun visors, and carpet. Additionally, the car is equipped with Bluetooth and Apple CarPlay. There is some bubbling on both rockers, but overall, the car is in great shape. The tires have about 70% tread remaining. It also has a clean title and registration through 2026. The owner is open to trade for another classic vehicle or cash offers. Located in Eastvale, California.